I'm in my grandma's house right now. I don't know. And I got some guns. I got the cap gun thing. And here, this thing is loaded. See? It's a little orange. That thing's out loud. Yeah, it's still burning. Guys, we're gonna end this video. I'm gonna do another video today, like 3 minutes. I can finish watching this. So, and I'll put another one in there. So, guys.